What is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. This is Tech here, and today I'm going to teach you all a couple of methods on how to figure out whether your account has ever been involved in a data breach and whether it had been hacked. Alright, so with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so in this tutorial I'll be showing you all two websites that you're going to be using in order to check whether your accounts have ever been involved in a breach. So the first website is going to be this website called Have I Been Punned. So I've mentioned two websites here and both of their links will be mentioned down below in the description, so you do not need to worry about that. So basically what you have to do in this website is go ahead and enter your email address in this tab, and this website basically has a huge database on the companies that have been hacked and those who have been involved in huge data breaches. So as you can see, this website is clearly showing you the largest data breaches as well as the recently added data breaches. So you can see all the companies and every single website that has been involved in a data breach. Alright, so and here are some of the statistics that they're displaying to show things in more detail. So basically what you have to do right now, as I said earlier, go ahead and enter your email address right here. So after you're done entering your email address and you hit that search button, you'll basically be taken to another web page like this. So here they're going to be showing you a couple of steps which will help you to keep your account more secure in the future. And when you scroll down below, you'll be seeing some of the websites in which your own email account had been involved in a data breach. So as you can see, my email account had been involved in two data breaches. One is from Animoto and another one is from Dubsmash. And this website also shows the date on which the website was hacked. So for this company, it was hacked on the 28th of July. And this was hacked in the 2018 December. So, and another thing about this website is they clearly specify all the information that had been compromised in this data breach. So as you can see, all the data here is displayed, whatever had been compromised in that data breach. So using this data, you could basically judge the number of personal information that had been exposed from your own account. So in my case, my dates of birth, email address, geographic locations, names and password had been exposed. And when it goes to Dubsmash, it has a little bit more information that had been exposed, such as my phone numbers, my spoken languages and usernames. So as you all know, once a data breach has happened, you can't basically do anything else. Your email and all your personal information has been exposed. So one thing you can do to make this thing better right now is basically to change your password. And when you want to change your password, you got to make sure that it's not related to your date of birth or any of the other compromised data information that's mentioned here. Because when you relate your password to any of the compromised data that's right here, it can give hackers an easier guess on what your password could be and they could hack it easily. So it's better that you keep it something that's totally independent of this information that's mentioned here. And the next website is a bit more user-friendly than this website, and that's called Firefox Monitor. So this is basically funded by Firefox itself, and this goes a step ahead and provides you some newsletters and alerts when there are data breaches that your account is involved in and other data breaches as well. So this is also basically the same as Have I Been Punned. And another thing is all their database information is derived from the Have I Been Punned website. So as you can see, they also have a huge number of data going back from 2007. They also display the companies that have been involved in data breaches recently, just like the previous website. And they take an extra step by introducing tabs like breaches and security tips, in which they're going to be showing you ways in which you could, prevent data breaches or ways in which you could recover information and stuff once your data has been breached. So basically, yeah, these are the services that they provide. You could just check them out in the link down below in the description. So I'm going to go ahead and type my email address here again. Alright, so as you can see, I already told you that their breach data is being provided by Have I Been Punned. So it's basically the same information, except it might be a bit more briefly explained. And yeah, you can also select options like I said earlier about alerting you about new breaches. And that's basically it. You can check out their security tips tab, and they also have their own application called Firefox Monitor. They have the extension on the PC and as well as application on the App Store in your mobile device. You can download that from both the iOS and Android web stores. And as I said earlier, there's the breaches tab in which you can search for breaches. Basically, so you can see all the company and website names are mentioned here, and you can check out which of your favorite websites or any known websites have been recently involved in a breach. So with that being said, that is basically it. It's a really simple step. All you have to do is basically check out these websites and enter your email addresses to find out whether there's any data breaches in which your information had been involved. So with that being said, I hope this video was informative to you. I hope you all learned something from this, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button down. It really helps me out, know what type of content you guys like. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, this is Tech signing out.